Hey everyone, if you want to build a clean documentation website without complex setup, Docsify is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Docsify from installation to publishing your site. First, install node.js on your computer. This is required because Docsify runs using a node-based environment. Next, open your terminal and install Docsify CLI. This tool helps you quickly create and manage documentation projects. Now create a project folder and initialize Docsify inside it. This sets up the basic structure needed for your documentation site. Start the local server so you can preview your site. This allows you to see changes instantly while editing. After that, edit your markdown files. Docsify uses simple markdown so you can easily add headings, text, and links without any coding complexity. You can also customize the theme and layout. This helps you make your documentation look more professional and user-friendly. Finally, deploy your site using GitHub pages. This makes your documentation live online so anyone can access it from anywhere. So yeah, that's how you use Docsify from setup to deployment. Follow these steps carefully and you can build a clean documentation website in just a few minutes.